Go to my profile. You'll find the coach ID here. Just copy it and share it with your student. The student will first need to log into the system and then proceed. The student has to go to my profile and click on Find Coach. He has to paste the coach ID and search for it. It will show the respective coach ID details. The student has to request coaching. Once the student has successfully submitted their formal request to the coach then needs to navigate over to the Create tab located on the main menu. From there, he should proceed to open the comprehensive coach dashboard. Within this dashboard, he will be able to clearly see the pending student request listed under the Request tab, and he must then manually click to accept the student into the program. And if we check students, it will show the list of students. Alright, and this is the screen. Coach dashboard is the screen where the coach can check the analytics or progress of his students. Here you can view enhanced analytics. You can see all the different students. I am clicking, so if we click on manage routines, we have the create option. Start creating. You have to assign a name and description and rest between exercises. So for a routine, you'll have multiple exercises, and after each exercise, you need to have some rest period which you can configure. So if you put 30 seconds here, then after every exercise, we'll have a 30 seconds rest period. Continue. On the next screen, you can add exercises. So it can be a timer exercise, a YouTube based exercise, or a library exercise. So usually timer based exercises are something like you can use it for anything for that matter. So it has support for that. It's up to the user or the coach to decide which option to select. So primarily a timer based exercise would be like this. Let's suppose we have running. We don't need any guidance here. In such scenarios, you just configure 10 minutes, usually 10 minutes or so. Uh, Here you may not need sets, and you can mention the calories, how many calories it'll burn. Okay, great. So if you want to add another exercise, just add from the library. You have inbuilt library entries for most of the commonly used exercises. And we'll be updating these exercises as and when needed, and more exercises will be added in the future as well. So I want to add box jumps. You just have to press the plus button, and I want to do 2 sets. And each set will have 5 repetitions. Now let us just suppose for a moment. Alright, usually between reps we won't have any rest periods. If you want some rest period, you can always configure that as well. If the exercise is a bit heavy, then you can override the global routine based rest period. Just click and you can adjust it for this exercise alone. Okay. This is optional here because library entries will already have pre-configured calories burned. So we don't have to add it and create. Okay. And review. So this is the screen. What are the configurations related to the text size? And you just have to save the routine. So we have the Monday routine. Okay. In the same way, you can configure multiple routines. Tuesday routine, Wednesday routine, or alternative routines for your student. Once you configure, you have to click it. Sorry, you have to. So now, routine. Let's suppose we'll be using only the Monday routine for all the days. Then we have to go to Manage Weekly Plan. You can name the weekly plan as Krishna's weekly plan. You can set the difficulty, which is not mandatory. And you have to select Monday worker, Monday routine, and save. And for Tuesday, also select the same one day routine. Day routine is the same. And so if you want your student to take rest, for example, on Sunday, we don't have to give anything. Just save. Once you save, it creates a weekly plan and there is also a button to assign it. Press the assign button and select the student. Assign the weekly plan. Once you assign the weekly plan, in the assignments, you can see an entry code generated for the respective student. Okay. As soon as the coach has finished assigning your personalized weekly plan, the student can see today's workout on the home screen. Okay. And you just have to press start workout. You can give basic details or more advanced ones and then start the workout. So this will definitely play now as today's workout. For the demo, I am skipping this. So it is running the rest period after the exercise. We have configured 5 rows with 5 repetitions, so it repeats 5 times. So with that, one full set is finally over now. And now let's start the second set after the rest period. Hello there, Sam. I was just calling to check in on you and was wondering how you've been doing lately. And I really hope that everything is going absolutely well with you and your family today. So once it is done, it asks for feedback on whether you are okay or not. If you are okay, just press the just right button. If you have any feedback, you can mention it here. Submit feedback. Once the student completes it, the coach gets instantly updated about his student's daily workout routine. Now, as soon as the student successfully completes this entire workout session, all of the specific performance details get automatically linked directly to the coach's personal dashboard for review. If you go to the coach dashboard as a coach, the coach can check the analytics. For Krishna, it says one workout completed, 100% done. There's no problem with the way he's doing, adherence or anything. It clearly gives the details on the student's progress. Okay. And as well, it gives details about the once the student finishes the workout, then we can definitely add some detailed feedback for the student. So now the individual student can conveniently monitor his detailed progress in the dedicated progress tab. This section provides comprehensive details on the streak, his overall progress, and if he has earned any achievements, they will all be shown right here. The overall number of total workouts he has successfully completed, along with specific details regarding his most recent workout sessions. Furthermore, it gives a very nice visual graph of his weight progress over time, his consistent workout progress, and his daily step count progress as well. Okay, so if you just go ahead and navigate to the weekly plan section, you can easily check all the detailed course feedback there. If you go to coach feedback, you can check the details. Details. Some objects. It gives more details with different information. For the coach to add routines, he has to use the manage routines option. To add a weekly plan, he has to use the manage weekly plan option.